Rich people possess numerous good money habits, and this is the ultimate reason for their wealth. Their money habits are actually responsible for their growth. The poor people never focus on improving their money habits, and that's why they are always broke. Well, in this video, we will be telling you the 9 money habits of the millionaires which could make you rich if you follow. Now let's start. 1. They work toward money goals. Targeting your money helps people who are wealthy. Being able to see and act in ways that will help you meet your goals changes the way your brain works when you set goals. Getting things isn't the only goal here. These goals could be to save for college, make a certain amount of money, or become a millionaire by a certain age. In other words, what do you want to accomplish with your money? Think about what you want to accomplish in the next 3 months, in 4 years, and in 25 years. For example, you might want to save $500 in the next 3 months. 2. They handle themselves well. Not just when it comes to money, rich people usually have good habits. A lot of money comes from hard work, so people who have it are honest and follow the rules. To meet your financial goals, you need to be able to stick to your plans for how much you spend and cut back. This is called financial discipline. It has to do with setting goals too. Your money goals will stay with you even if you don't work on them. They will be even harder to reach if you don't follow through. If you want to be happy in the long run, you have to be focused and ignore short-term joys. Instead of buying the newest iPhone, you could, for instance, use that money to improve yourself. You could use the money to take a course that teaches you new skills that will help you get promoted, or you could start your own small business or side job that will bring in extra money. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing tricks to get rich. 3. They do not collect debts. Rich people don't owe other people money because being broke makes you richer. Ignore it like the plague. Debt makes it hard to make money and get rich because you don't have any extra cash to spend or save for retirement. It's sometimes necessary to give up things now in order to live a better life later on. Get a clear picture of your situation by asking yourself, what am I willing to give up temporarily so I can get out of debt? Stay out of debt by being responsible, saving money for emergencies, and sticking to your budget. Nobody is surprised that the economy has been bad lately. Many individuals are facing difficulties in completing their plans. People like you exist. Don't feel bad about it. I told my wife and I that we had to get serious and save $1,000 in just 1 month. What a simple task it is if you know where to look. 4. There are over one way for them to make money. Not having more than one way to make money won't get you rich. Most rich people have more than one way to make money, that much is clear. There's no doubt that wealthy people are always looking for extra cash. It's safer to handle your money when you have more than one source of income. When one source of income goes away, you still have other ones to fall back on. You can keep going even if something comes up out of the blue. Different ways of making money depend on what you like, what you're good at, and what you're passionate about. Starting with a small business, like a side job, and building it up is the best way to go. One benefit of idle income is that it gives you additional time to work on the primary source of income. Passive income comes from things like writing a book, doing partner marketing, or making radio or video products. Do not try to do everything at once as you try to make more than one source of cash. Just pay attention to one thing at a time to get the most out of it. 5. They made saving and investing their most important goals. People with a lot of money know that investing is one of the best ways to make it grow, so they put their money to work. Investing and saving are both important, but they are not the same thing. What sets them apart is the amount of risk they take. Saving doesn't always make you rich, but it can help you out in a pinch, keep you out of debt, and make you feel safe about your money. The chance to make more money by investing is bigger, but the risk is also bigger. Don't put more money into something than you can stand to lose. It's also smart to put money away for a long time. You have more time to ride out the ups and downs of the market if you can keep the cash invested for longer. Ask a professional, like a trusted financial advisor, for help if you need it. You may also add a comment below. We will try to help you out. It's easy to get rich and stay that way by investing. Rich people do it because it gives them something to fall back on, especially as they age. 6. They spend their money wisely. You'll waste money when you have more if you can't handle the money you have now. Stopping spending money you don't need can make a big difference in your ability to get rich. Put the things you need and the things you want on a list. Setting a budget every month will help you see where your cash is going and what changes you need to make. Feelings shouldn't affect how much you spend. You will feel bad about spending money on something that won't really help you. You can also spend less by cutting down on how often you use your credit card. You won't buy things you don't need if you only bring cash with you. 7. They hang out with people who support their views. Some people's company can affect where you end up in life, which is why rich people don't hang out with regular people very often. You should stick with people whose money goals are the same as yours. Discuss your goals with people who are already doing what you want to do. Get to know what they did to get where they are. Some people can make or break your financial situation. Rich people usually hang out with happy people. Here, brilliant concepts are born that make people even richer. It will help you if you have contacts. A lot of the time, those who ask for help are the ones who get to the top. 8. They're used to knowing plenty. Most wealthy individuals understand their finances. These people know what they want, how they'll obtain it, how much they earn, and what they possess. Leaders and readers. Rich individuals read daily for this reason. What you purchase might be confusing. Learn as much as you can or consult a financial counselor before making large financial decisions, particularly concerning unfamiliar topics. Learn more by reading books, listening to the news, and signing up for money newsletters. 9. They steer clear of copying others' activities. Rich people don't mimic the Joneses. They do not compare themselves to their neighbors or attempt to be good by purchasing expensive items. Rich folks know what they want and aren't influenced by others. Start toying with money like the affluent. Ignoring the concept that you may make a livelihood to satisfy others is bad. Spend more than you earn and get caught. Updating electronics constantly wastes money from many folks who can't afford it. You may lose money and opportunities. Before buying, consider your objectives and budget. That's all for today. Now you know all the best money habits of the millionaires that help them to get rich. You must try to adopt these money habits if you want to get rich. Billionaires like Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk understood long back that only earning money could not help them get rich. So they adopted better money habits that helped them get rich. You could also transform yourself into a millionaire if you start following these money habits. Comment below if you want to know more about this topic or if you are left with any queries. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Press the subscribe button and also the like button if you are interested in knowing more amazing financial tips and tricks. Thank you all for watching the video till here.